Karibu sana hapa Rwanda. Tuko kwa press conference ahead of the official friendly game between Rayon Sport of Rwanda and Azam FC of Tanzania. And we are with the team head coach of Azam FC and the national team player of Tanzania, as well as Azam FC midfielder Faisal Salum Toto Abdallah, probably the best footballer in East Africa, I guess. Mchezaji bora wa region ya East Africa.
MVP wa FA Cup pia.
Kweli. And he's selected in best 11 of Tanzanian Football League. Now, you're welcome, dear media fellow. I'm Robin Gabo, the official communication manager in Rayon Sport, and we are here to talk about tomorrow's game, which is Rayon Sport Day, Umusi Jikundiro, featuring Azamka. Azamka, he's going to explain us what it is exactly. Hashim Ibwe, the spokesperson of Azam FC as well. He is right here on the panel. Now, let's do not take long time. Let's kick off the press conference, and we'll start with the head coach. He'll tell us about how prepared how prepared is Azam FC. He'll be speaking in English or French, and the player Fei Toto will be speaking in Swahili. I and Hashim, we can speak all, whatever you want. Now,
Portuguese.
Anyways, let's kick off with the head coach. Karibu sana.
Asante sana. Merci. Thank you, everybody. First of all, I say thank you to Rayon Sport to give us this opportunity to come here to be their guest. For us, it's a bit bigger opportunity before we played against APR. And I think tomorrow it will be a good game, big game between two good teams. And I hope from my team and our opponent, Rayon Sport, we will do our best to give at the fans a big show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, questions for the coach. Then after, we will take a few questions for the coach. Afterwards, we take a few questions for the player, and we let them go so that they can kick off the game. And we continue with spokesperson of both clubs. Now, questions for the coach. Please.
Thank you, everyone. My name is Jolene for Voice of Africa Italy. Coach, I want to know your plans for this friendly game, and what is it going to help in CAF Champions League game against APR? Is it going to be a preparation, or you're going to take it as
both preparation and competition, because even it's a friendly game, for us it will be important also to win, because we need this trophy. And it's opportunity, like I said before, it's opportunity for us to enjoy the environment, to understand the environment, because in each country maybe there is a different environment. So it's a big opportunity for us before our important game against APR. First of all, it was the road, about the travel. Sometimes in some airport, when you arrive, you can have some difficulties. So about this travel, we needed also to understand the mindset of this country, the people Rwandese. And luckily for us, I don't know the next travel, but for us today, when we arrived at the airport, it was good. It was easy for us to yeah. And I know sometime during the competition, some teams they try to create some difficulties at their opponent when you arrive at the airport. And I wish against APR, when we come back here, we can have same facilities like today to get out at the airport, because it's a football, and we know the football. Even we are young coach, young players, young team, young club. We know the football, especially in Africa. And this day, tomorrow, it's preparation for us for the next game. So everything, the travel, the hotel, the road, everything, it's like a try test for us. Yeah.
Okay, only two more questions for the coach, Romario.
Moi, je réponds au nom de Gakou Abdul-Jabbar ou Issa Ouattara. Dis-moi, qu'est-ce qu'on peut s'entendre de ce match?
Le match de demain,
Ouais,
comme je l'ai dit, c'est une très très belle opportunité pour nous déjà de venir au Rwanda. Parce que, comme vous le savez, on a un match important qui nous attend contre APR, je pense le 25, le 24 ou le 25. Donc, ce match, ce voyage, c'est une très très belle opportunité pour nous d'avoir plus de maîtrise pour notre prochain match. Et que ce soit à l'aéroport, que ce soit à l'hôtel, que ce soit aussi les trajets entre l'hôtel et les terrains d'entraînement de match, c'est une situation pour nous, en fait, pour prendre des leçons. Maintenant, le match de demain, c'est un match important. C'est un match important pour Rayon, c'est un match important aussi pour nous, parce que c'est deux grands clubs qui ont envie aussi de montrer de très belles choses, même si on est toujours dans cette phase de préparation pour préparer chacun de son côté sa saison. Ce match de demain sera une préparation. Nous, en tant qu'équipe, en tant que coach, moi personnellement, ça va me donner certaines réponses aussi, parce que c'est le football. Chaque match, tu as des questions que tu te poses, et c'est en cours de match ou à la fin du match que tu auras tes réponses.
Okay. The last question, Sadi.
Coach, avant de rencontrer contre AFL en confédération, plutôt en Champions League, vous pensez de jouer un autre match amical ou le match de demain, ça suffit, et puis vous allez vous entraîner seulement?
Non, le match de demain sera suffisant pour nous. On ne va pas revenir 2 fois au Rwanda pour des matchs amicaux. Donc on va utiliser le match de demain pour, bien sûr, à partir du voyage qu'on a entamé depuis Dar es Salaam, tout est question d'organisation pour nous et de voir où est-ce qu'on va et comment on va y aller. Donc le match de demain aussi, c'est dans ce même état d'esprit. Et je l'ai déjà expliqué. On va rester concentré sur tous les détails. C'est important parce que le haut niveau, c'est des détails.
Okay, question from Azam TV.
Rather as a
Okay.
Instead of unity.
Yeah.
coach, you mentioned APR 6 times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mentioning,
And
I was counting.
it's not enough.
I wanted to prove that there are rumors that APR approached you once. Can you confirm us ahead of the game? Even out of this, we're talking about against Rayon, against APR.
Were you ever approached by APR to be the
APR
coach?
approached you once.
We are already in the game. We are already in the game because I know tomorrow some of them they come there to scout our team. So why you need to hide something? It's the football. Like I said before, you know a little bit the football, and for them, it's opportunity for them to scout our team tomorrow. But they play in Dar es Salaam also tomorrow, and it's opportunity for us to scout their team. It's the football.
Okay. Thank you, Coach. And we wanted to let you know that in Rwanda, hospitality is our game, is our deal. So don't worry.